A robotic hand developed at UT Austin can pick up the most fragile of items like potato chips or eggs without crushing them. Fox 7 Austin's Jenna spoke with the team behind the project and is in the studio with how it works. Jenna.
Yeah, Mike, pretty cool. Researchers say this breakthrough could have a big impact across multiple industries, from healthcare to manufacturing.
We want robots to pick things up, right? But robots don't currently have like a sense of touch.
Until now, from a potato chip to an egg to a raspberry, items that would normally crumble or crack can now be picked up safely thanks to a new robotic hand developed at UT Austin. The technology, called fragile object grasping with tactile sensing, allows the robot to feel what it's holding.
The new thing, especially in this, is the force detection, like how much force you're putting onto an object so you don't like squish it. And then the slip detection. So right when you're holding something, like being able to tell that it's slipping out of your grasp. So those are the new features.
The flexible fingers are modeled after fish fins and created using advanced 3D printing. As the fingers prepare to grab an object, the air channels inside of them shift, which causes a change in air pressure. The pressure changes detected provide real-time force feedback to the robot to let it know whether the object is slipping.
What my lab has done is we have this technique to put touch sensors in basically anything. Those air channels will feel a force, and then you can measure that.
Researchers tested the grippers on 31 different objects, including potato chips, raspberries, jam jars, soup cans, and apples. The system successfully picked them up about 92% of the time, outperforming traditional robotic grippers. It also detected 93% of slips with perfect precision, meaning it never falsely identified a slip.
I don't know too many other robots who have this slip sensing capability. And then ours are really high durability.
Researchers say the technology could one day be used in food processing to reduce waste, in healthcare to handle medical tools or fragile biological samples, and in manufacturing for delicate items like electronics or glass.
I see it as being anywhere that we care about fragile and delicate objects, which is pretty much anywhere there's humans involved.
The team has also released their designs and algorithms to other engineers to build on that technology. Back to you, Mike.